recent updates on the role of extracellular vesicles in the pathogenesis of allergic asthma. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory airway disease that results from complex multicellular interaction between immune cells in response to allergens. All the intercellular communication were previously thought to be mediated by cytokine signaling, but recent studies have explored that extracellular vesicles play a major role in cellular communication and signaling. EVs are membrane-bound vesicles secreted by cells packed with different biomolecules that can alter the physiological state of the target cells. Asthma is a complex disease and can manifest in different endotype and phenotype. There is a growing evidence that suggests involvement of circadian rhythm in asthma exacerbation at specific time point. In this review, we have summarized how EVs regulate immune response during asthma and plausible role of circadian rhythm in coordinating the inflammation in airways using different animal models and in asthma patients. EVs are isolated from various biological sources. On that note, EVs isolated from biofluid holds special interest as they are easy to isolate and cause minimal invasive procedure and pain to the patients. Biofluids that are collected in asthmatic patients include plasma or serum, bronchoalveolar lavage, nasal lavage, and sputum. EVs isolated from biofluids serves as an excellent candidate for diagnostic biomarkers as they reflect early response during disease. Also, biofluid EVs carry different type of biomolecules like small non-coding RNAs and organelles like mitochondria. They can either aggravate or reduce inflammation based on the biomolecular signature. Unlike EVs isolated from biofluids, cellular EVs are homogeneous and plays essential role in cellular communication. Identifying cell-specific EVs and characterizing their molecular signature will yield better insight to understand the disease mechanism. In this review, all the recent studies on structural and immune cell EVs characterized in asthma condition are summarized in here. And also, it highlights the future perspective on this research area. Structural cell-derived EVs include epithelial cell-derived EVs, and immune cell EVs are dendritic cells, T and B cells, and granulocyte-derived EVs. In this review, mesenchymal stem cell-derived EVs are mainly discussed for their therapeutic potential in asthma. EVs derived from cells regulate other target cells by carrying specific microRNA or surface marker. By delivering the cargo molecules, EVs either activate or suppress immune cells depending on the source of EV. For example, EVs from epithelial cells and dendritic cells activate T helper naive cells to differentiate into subset, and EVs from B cells support dendritic cells and Th17 subset activation. On the other hand, EVs derived from Treg, also known as tolerosomes, suppress T cell differentiation. Based on the type of Th cell subset activation, different phenotype response is driven by EV in asthma. EVs from Th2 cells promote eosinophil and mast cell mediated asthma phenotype, and EVs from Th17 promote neutrophilic phenotype of asthma. Overall, this complex multicellular interaction drives the airway inflammation and remodeling. To summarize, this review brings light to the recent research on EV and its role in regulating asthma phenotype. Based on the existing evidence, involvement of circadian rhythm in asthma is well known, but currently there is no evidence that directly links EV, circadian rhythm and asthma. In this review, we hypothesize that locally and systemically release of EVs in lung could possibly be regulated by circadian rhythm, which needs to be explored in the context of chronic airway disease. Understanding the role of EV in asthma will provide great insight into the mechanism of disease progression and thus help us devise novel EV-based therapies in future.